Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make some breakfast potatoes. At least that's what I call them. And we're going to make this simple recipe really quick in the air fryer. So it's a very simple recipe here. Everything over here you're going to need a half teaspoon for. And then pepper and paprika, you need a quarter teaspoon for. And then about a half of a tablespoon of olive oil. Let me go ahead and cut up the potato. I leave the skin on. If you're against skin, you can take that off first. Here we have them all chopped up, and as you can see, I have them all about the same size. It's important to get them pretty close to the same size so that they all cook about, the same amount at the same time. Go ahead and throw this in our bowl. And now I'm going to estimate everything. As I told you, the amounts, but I've done this a lot, so I kind of just estimate. Go ahead and throw in our oil. You don't want a ton, you just want enough to coat them all. Then we have our salt. Our onion powder. Garlic powder. Pepper. And paprika. Now I'll go ahead and get those all mixed up. If they don't jump around the bowl as much as my bowl does, you can use your hand, but I got a nice bowl that I can kind of just flip them up in. Alright, so we're nice and coated. Now we go ahead to the air fryer. To start, we're going to set our air fryer to 350 and 12 minutes. We're actually going to start cooking these for 10 minutes, but I want to preheat the air fryer first for 2 minutes. So we'll start it up and come back when it gets down to 10. Now that we preheated for 2 minutes, we'll go ahead and throw our potatoes in. And just make sure that they're all touching, all spread out, like all on the bottom, not clumped up or not stacked up. Now we'll put them in for the 10 minutes and we will shake them halfway through. After 10 minutes now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at them. They're getting done nice, but we have 5 more minutes to do at a higher temperature to give them some color. So what we're going to do now is turn our temperature up all the way to 400. We're going to set a 5-minute timer, and then we're going to shake this one. You can shake it just halfway through at 2.5 minutes, or you can shake it more often. It really doesn't matter, but shake it at least once for this 5 minutes. Go ahead and start that up. After 5 minutes they're done, let's take them out and give them a look. Oh, those are looking great. Serve them with some ketchup, maybe some hot sauce. We have a nice kind of crisper outside, and then the insides are going to be nice and soft, perfect potatoes. Go ahead and just show the fork goes right through. Have any questions, let me know. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.